Hello, this video is going to walk you through how to make an Amazon wish list real quick. I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet. The reason we want to do this is because this will allow you to buy items on Amazon, but we can buy them through the school district Amazon Prime account that has tax exemption status already applied to the account. So this is just a quick, easy way for you to share items you want to buy on Amazon with the front office. So here we go. Number one, the first thing you're going to do is go shopping, and you can use any old Amazon account you want, the Amazon account you use for your personal Amazoning. Like, feel free to use that account. You're not linking up your account to anything. You're just generating a list that's Amazon friendly, that's easy to send to the front office, and that's easy for them to use. So go right ahead and use your personal account. You're going to just go shopping for the items you want to buy for your classroom. So if I want to buy a 70-inch big screen TV for my classroom, I'm just going to go shop for one on Amazon and add it to cart like I normally would. Next step, once I've just gone shopping, got all of my classroom items together that I want, I'm going to click on the cart in the upper right, and we're going to modify that cart a little bit. The first thing I want to do is go to all the items I want to buy for my classroom, and I'm going to click Save for Later for each one of them. Next, once I've saved them for later, I can scroll to the bottom of my now empty cart, and at the bottom of my empty cart there should be a bunch of items that are saved for later. You're now going to get the option, now that it's in that Save for Later list, you're going to get the option to move it to your wish list. So that's what you want to do next, is move all of these items from my classroom to my wish list. Then I'm going to go to the tab in the upper right that says Account and Lists. It's right there. And I'm going to pull that down, and I'm going to find the item that says Your Lists, which is right there. Then I'm going to click on Wish Lists in the Your Lists menu. Now I use wish lists all the time at home, and so like my kids were buying stuff for Halloween or for a Florida trip, so they've got different wish lists already built. So you might have a list of lists, which is a little confusing, but you're looking for the one that just has wish list because you just added those classroom items to wish list. Right there. So I'm going to click on that. Then click on the Send List to Others in the upper right of your list. So it's this item right up here. It's kind of hidden up there in the upper right of the Lists menu. When you do that, it's going to give you a pop-up menu. I guess I would share it as view and edit, just because then on the other end, when it goes to your building secretary, you'll be able, the building secretary would be able to adjust things or not order an item that they already know we have in stock, or I don't know. I don't know, pick whatever option you want. You're a full-grown adult, you can figure it out. But you're going to either pick view only or view and edit. I'll pick the view and edit one. And then you're going to copy the link that it gives you. So it will automatically pop up two options. It'll either say copy link or invite by email. I would suggest you copy the link and not invite by email, because if you click invite by email, it will open up that horrible mail app that nobody ever wants to use, that's linked to some old mail account or something. I don't know, but nobody ever wants to use that thing. So just copy the link and then be a grown-up and open your own email and paste the link that you just copied from Amazon into an email to your building secretary. And now all you're doing is sending her the link, and it will all be a nice, neat Amazon list that she can just click through and order your items on her tax-exempt school account, Amazon account. Oh yeah, by the way, I also left my my undeleted email message counter up in the upper right there, because I know it will drive Kim Shore crazy that I have 36,029 undeleted emails, because she likes to delete her emails and keep her mailbox all nice and neat, but I never delete anything, so I have 36,029 of them right now. And now your stuff is just going to magically show up in the front office mail area, and it's awesome, and it works, and yay. So hope that helped, and have a nice day.